मॉर्निंग में
आप सभी लोग हमारी तरफ से एक प्यार भरा नमस्ते,
नमस्कार
वनकम,
नमस्कार
खुशामदीद,
सलामकुम
सत श्री अकाल,
मेघांतरी वंदनम
जय स्वामी नारायण,
जय श्री कृष्ण
जय जनेन्द्र।
हमारे स्माइली भाई बंधुओं को बोल दे या अली मदद
मौला अली मदद बोलते हुए सारे फीजी हम बंदलों को बोलेंगे नीसा बुलाबर जन। हम आ गए हैं आपके प्यारे महिमा के द्वारा। मैं सवाल बाबा
एंड ऑफ कोर्स माय सेल्फ फालतू रानी लेकर आपके लिए एक और drive time show that's going to make your Friday and Mastani.
That's true, Badajan. And of course, आप सोच रहे हैं कि अरे what already is 1 week is getting over. अरे बाबा, let me remind you, 1 week छोड़ो. COVID-19 shelter in place. Now shelter in place dropped off. COVID-19 day 31 बोल रहे हैं हम लोग, क्योंकि shelter in place सबको मालूम है sheltered है already. Right? So it's day 31, Badajan. 31 days, just a few more days. Just hang in there. Let's hope our heroes who are working towards containing this particular virus are successful in the meanwhile, and we get back to our normal life, or should I say the new normal of life, as early as we can, Badajan. And yes, everybody is trying to get to it. Everybody is trying to, see how they can get with it. But what's important right now to notice is, Badajan, yes, COVID-19 started affecting our healths. Yeah, our people, our lifestyles. Now it is hitting the economy as well. Now, I understand our thoughts and our prayers to all those families who are actually going through tough times. There are options and there are different ways you can actually try to get some assistance from the government, and that's pretty much something which we'll share with you guys on the news for sure. But again, unemployment rates are at a high, super duper high level right now, just for the fact that many jobs are not happening. Almost 90% of jobs in restaurant area have been lost right now. It's about trying to find we personally know many families who actually are out of a job as well, and right now it's difficult. So even the help is going to come from the government is going to take you only this much far, but there are many more things yet to come. But there are a lot of assistance being planned. You got to thank our stars and our should I say the place where we live, our karma bhumi, because there are a lot of people who actually have been struggling to get this for our people. In fact, all the efforts, all the hoo-ha, all the crying which was done by our state to get federal funding is going to pay out eventually, because that's what's important, because they actually had a head start on this and trying to get funding for people. There are a lot of opportunities for people who actually are going to file for unemployment through California, also through federal. There are a lot of stuff. There's something called as PUA, that is the Pandemic Unemployment Assistance. You can apply for those things. We'll share with you guys on news and all those things. In fact, what we also will do is we'll carry the links for you guys on our MediaMahima.com news blog, where you can actually get to learn more about this and how we can actually, I would say, try to get some assistance so you can move on to the next level in your life. What's going to happen after the shelter in place lifted? We had a total different ball game. One thing I should tell you, Balajan, everybody are in it together, and there's nobody who can say, "Oh, this is the best way to do it." And if somebody says that's the best way to do it, I would say think about it, because this is the first time it's ever happened to anybody in the world. In fact, America is going through a really tough time across the world. If you look at least we are being, we have the technology and we have the resources to support ourselves. There are many nations around the world which actually are going to grapple with this as well as they get into it. Now, let me tell you, we all in this together. I say this because we totally feel that it's all bandhutva. We all are one family who are on this planet. So that's why we say Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam is what we believe in. And any assistance you require, any information you may need from us, please do let us know. We are here on edge, so not only to entertain you, but also to get you information and connect you with resources which can help you. So any point in time you have some question regarding the COVID-19 situation, or for the matter how you can actually get assistance if at all you're unemployed, feel free to message us. Yes, but I'm telling you again, it's open announcement. Everybody out there, it's a public service announcement saying that if at all you have any questions, any news you want to know, if anything you want to do and you want to connect to the right kind of authorities, do contact us. Feel free to contact us through our Facebook page, which is Radio D Hotties, facebook.com/Radio D Hotties, or you can also feel free to email us, bandhu@mediamahima.com. You also can do is go to mediamahima.com and you can send us a message from there as well. So if any news items you want us to cover, you can always send it through our news channel, that is mediamahima.com. It's news@mediamahima.com is the website for that. So let me tell you also that our phone lines generally are open when we are live. So you can always feel free to call us there. And if at all you're a business and you want to support us, or you want to see how we can reach out to the audience, you can always contact us on our phone number 408-660-6753. Again, 408-660-6753. 6753. Right now, let me tell you, we're going to go check out what's happening on the roads because, yes, people are on the roads trying to get to destinations, and it's good to know what's happening on the roads if at all any incidents report. So, this is your Raste Ka Haal Total Saste Mein, Badhujan.
It's time for the Bandu traffic update. Call us from wherever you are at 408 912 2479.
Well, Banjan, Badzavi, I tell you that the traffic is pretty light outside, as it's not as severe as what it was before the COVID-19 shelter in place. It's a new normal we have. And there are a few accidents, nevertheless, to watch out for. In fact, there's something in San Leandro which actually is slowing down traffic. It's an accident with injuries. It's a severe traffic alert there because of the injuries involved. It's on the 80 northbound at the Hagenberger Road in Oakland. And watch out for that. Drive very carefully. Luckily, it is not affecting traffic as in movement of traffic, so watch out for that. But if at all you're not region, bunch of road work happening in different places means a good thing. Caltrans is upgrading right now in the San Francisco area. We also have Caltrans doing some road work on 580 westbound between MacArthur Boulevard, Dutton Avenue in Oakland. And watch out for that region. And if you look down south, in fact, towards the 680 northbound between, or should I say, via San Gabriel, Fremont, and Pleasanton Snow Road. There's road work happening on there. It's a long stretch. There's going to be, in fact, lanes are going to be closed until 4:30 p.m. So if there's a bottleneck, probably because of construction going on there, it's going to be all the way until I think. It's going to be 17. Today is the 17th April. So it actually closure has already started off. It's going to be closed all the way until 4:30 p.m. So watch out for that and drive very carefully. San Jose also is reporting some road work happening there. And 880 southbound between Colburn Avenue and 82. Lanes are closed until 4:30 p.m. So you might find some bottleneck out there. So don't get frustrated. Go aram se because there's not much of traffic there. So you will get to your destination safe and sound. And that was your traffic update, Barajan. Weather update kya bataun aapko? I told you it's going to be cloudy kind of a thing today. And tomorrow we're going to have sunshine. It's going to be bright and sunny for us tomorrow in the upper 70s and lower 50s. And right now, Friday, we will have clouds all the way until, I think, noon probably. It's going to clear up a little bit. And I would say you can actually expect the highs of around 70, I suppose, today. It's almost seems like as 50s.
70s? Wow, it's so chilly outside.
It is because right now it is 55 or 57 in that range. So you'll feel like as though it's 55. But the thing is, it's going to get a little bit hotter as we get into the afternoons. And again, evening is going to drop down again. But tomorrow is going to be nice and sunny, Falzwani.
Woohoo!
Kind of. Not like, because the clouds seem to be, getting out there. Again, as you know, weather always is speculation, right? We just based on what they think is going to happen because you never exactly know what exactly is going to happen.
Correct.
It's just estimated, because they collect data, right?
Yeah.
And you can never have enough data to make a
that's
decision.
true.
You have to sometimes manu tukka modify. That's all is happening.
Right.
But right now, Bacha, there's no tukka in this because I'm going to play a nice song for you guys. And people on Facebook joining us right now, thank you so much. Mukhtar bhai, hi, how are you doing? Bashir, welcome. Aap sabhi log ko assalamu alaikum. And of course, we're going to go into a song break right now.
Mel Pancho ji is also joining us.
Oh,
KFK Dedia ji. Nice to see you
nice.
guys
Everybody joining us. Namaste. आप सभी लोगों का हार्दिक स्वागत है हमारा आज का शो पे गुड मॉर्निंग बे पे we're going to get to the news updates. I know many of you are waiting for that, but उससे पहले एक छोटा सा गाना हो जाए बलजान. A beautiful Ghana with a lot of message for us from the movie called Anokhi Raat. Sanjay Kumar पे फिल्मा गया है बलजान. It's a very nice song. Listen to this. It's a philosophical song actually, apt for this philosophical Friday.
ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में कोई जाने ना. ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में कोई जाने ना. ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में. सूरज को धरती तर से, धरती को चंद्रमा, धरती को चंद्रमा, पानी में सीप जैसे प्यासी हर आत्मा, प्यासी हर आत्मा। ओ मितवारे पानी में सीप जैसे प्यासी हर आत्मा, बूंद छुपी किस बादल में कोई जाने ना, ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में कोई जाने ना, ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में। अनजाने होठों पर क्यों पहचाने गीत हैं, पहचाने गीत हैं, कल तक जो बेगाने थे जन्मों के मीत हैं, जन्मों के मीत हैं। ओ मितवारे कल तक जो बेगाने थे जन्मों के मीत हैं, क्या होगा कौन से पल में कोई जाने ना, ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में, नदी मिले सागर में, सागर मिले कौन से जल में कोई जाने ना, ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में।
Alright, Brother John, that was a Ganika Kira. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, actually, nobody knows what's going to happen, right? That's the whole message of the song, right, Faltwani?
Right.
But if you want to know what's happening with the news, you know who actually has all the news, right?
Who, Alta Baba?
You and
Different news agencies, Manajan. We just aggregated and consolidated. I really wish, no, in a way, I wish I'm glad that I don't have to go and be at places where I'd be exposing myself to different kinds of threats. But yeah, thank you to even the news agencies, you know, reporters, journalists who are out there in the field and getting all this information. So,
yeah.
yeah, but it's a Friday for me. Woo-woo! Woo-woo! I almost got my dream job. Yes!
And
yes.
that is
That is
working with me?
No.
Oh my God, so sweet.
no. It is to get paid to watch true crime documentaries.
Oh, there's a job?
Yes.
Did you apply?
I'm going to.
You're going to.
I'm going to, and you can apply too, Manajan. It is a streaming service called Magellan TV. They're a documentary streaming service who want to hire a true crime fanatic to watch 24 hours of true crime documentaries.
Oh, I'm in for it. I like documentaries.
Yes, and they're saying our candidate has a passion for all things true crime. True crime, basically.
Okay.
They can handle the creepiest serial killer, the grisliest details, the haunting spookiness of the paranormal.
Ooh.
Whoever gets the job will be tasked with watching 16 documentaries, including Manson 40 years later and Columbine massacre in the killer's mind. The hire will have to document the whole thing so their followers can watch to see if they crack or not.
Whoa.
The website says, and you get paid $1,000 for this
Well,
for
if
one
you,
day.
if you all go and watch it, probably it's not about whether they crack or not. It's about whether the system will crash or not.
Well, basically, it's about, you know, they're saying that watching this much, they want to make sure that if they're willing to risk their sanity.
Ah.
Do you think you could lose your sanity watching 16
Well,
hours?
if you already are lost in sanity, that's fine. So there you go. I'm a perfect fit.
Why you? I said me. What do you mean you?
Hey, you're in portions. You're like sane.
Yeah, right. Whatever.
Yeah.
Anyway, I will post this link in case you guys are interested. And if that hasn't gotten you into the mood, let me tell you some few foods that can actually boost your mood, Banjan. It's all too easy.
I know. Samosas.
No.
What?
Healthy, mood-boosting comfort food, and I'm really surprised it does not have all my favors of ice cream in there.
Flavors of ice cream are supposed to be mood boosters, man. What are you talking
I
about?
know, but it's not there. It's green veggies like spinach, broccoli, Brussels sprouts.
Really? Spinach?
Yeah, one thing that's there is my favorite, dahi, which is yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi. It's okay, but that also supposedly
Hey,
boosts
I
your
don't know. That's why I told you. I'm insane. I'm weird because samosa always picks up my mood.
oats,
Or
brown
rather, I
rice,
pick up a samosa. Yeah.
whole wheat bread.
Whole wheat bread.
Yeah, you can make whole wheat dismissive samosa also. Oh, by the way, that's why you've been craving eggs, huh?
Why?
Egg yolk, fatty fish, 4
Oh,
to 5
really?
milks, yeah.
Oh my god, automatic. I'm craving for all those things, Balajan.
Yeah. And oh, dark chocolate.
Wait, what is the old dark chocolate? I know dark chocolate. What's the old dark chocolate?
It's supposed to make you feel
It's the
good.
brand?
It's
Is it a
supposed to-
brand of chocolates?
No,
Oh.
I meant like, oh, you can. I
Oh
was
my
like, where's
god,
the
your
decadence?
expression fascinating seriously. I thought it was a brand of chocolates.
Anyway, don't keep disturbing me. I'm like sharing what, and of course, your favorite. This is one thing that's a mood booster for me for sure in the evenings, Manjan. And I have to give gratitude because I practice wisdom skills, and you know how mindful I am. Altu Baba makes yummy, delicious kadak chai in the evenings before the Pam Pam show. So if I'm kind of a little off my game, it's only because he didn't make it.
What? Today, huh?
Well,
I don't go to the Barney Father. You know, always
I
in the
know in
evening,
the
right?
evenings,
And-
yeah.
And today I'm thinking of baking samosas.
baking it.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Let's go and bake samosas.
What?
And some people air fry it too. But either ways, let me get down to the serious news. But I just thought that'd be something for you all to look forward to and start your day off. Now, if some of you might be worried and you might be in a situation where you've been waiting on those stimulus checks, and if you haven't received your stimulus money yet, don't panic. There are 5 reasons that CNN has actually researched and are saying why this may not have happened. It's possibly because you didn't get a federal tax refund in 2018 or in 2019.
Well, what is that going to do? Getting a refund, not getting a refund?
Well, it says that even if you filed your 2018 or 2019 taxes electronically, that doesn't mean that the IRS can direct deposit the money into your bank account. You must have also received a refund in those years. If you haven't received a refund in those years on direct deposit, then they may not be using your bank account information that they can deposit it into.
So
you
probably
mi-
you can wait for the check by mail?
Yeah, and you can actually go to the IRS website, and apparently there is a link where you can enter your social security information, and you'll find out if it's been issued or not. Or the fact that it went to an old bank account. Your refund might have gone to an old bank account. So
Which you're not using?
Yeah.
What?
Wait, no. It could also be that you may have closed that bank account.
Yeah, you might not be using the bank note.
Yeah. So, in which case, that money will go back to the IRS, and then the payment will likely come later in a check in the mail, in the form of a check. Your refund went to a temporary account set up by a tax preparer. Sometimes,
They do it.
They do that
For
where
us.
no, it's not for us. People who don't want this automatic deductions from their accounts and stuff like that. A lot of people who play with a lot of money.
Oh, play with a lot of money. I see what you did there.
Yeah, I
A lot of
know.
people who play with a lot of money.
I know some CPAs who do a lot of things, okay? They'll have multiple accounts, they'll maintain zero, they'll bounce their checks, they'll do a lot of things. Anyway, don't get me started on that, Banjan. It's a whole show. One day I'm going to do this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the right time to do it because nobody's funding us anyways.
Well, I would like to call out all these people who do that. Anyway, you guys don't know the story, inside story, Banjan. One day
Yeah,
we'll
but
make a
we have
series.
previewed quite a lot of things which probably not many people read because we are media, I suppose.
Exactly.
And also we are personally affected those things. So
Yeah.
hence you don't see many of them advertising on our shows, but because we actually make sure we vet the process.
Yeah.
We make sure we pick the people who are bandhus are going to be comfortable and who would benefit from them.
Right. And of course, if you file a paper return in 2019, there's a possibility that's why it's delayed. And suppose aren't normally required to file a tax return. So if you're a low-income individual and you haven't ever filed a tax return, and married couples who did not earn more than $24,400 in the year, if you haven't filed, then there's a possibility that's the reason your stimulus checks are also being delayed. Let's also give you quick updates as to what's happening in terms of the coronavirus. China, this is breaking news, Banichan. China has revised the COVID-19 death toll in the city of Wuhan, raising the tally by 50% and renewing international criticism of the country's alleged lack of transparency in the early days of the virus. More than 1,200 deaths and 325 cases were added to the grim toll. The way cases were counted there changed 3 times in January and in February, which added to the confusion over the extent of the crisis. So, French President Emmanuel Macron has severely criticized China for these revelations, saying that the country didn't really release all the facts. And in the US, New York and other hotspots are getting hit with longer peaks of COVID-19 than initially predicted, while some southern states may not get hit as hard as earlier projected. Researchers from the Prominent Projection Model cited by the White House plan to release the new data on the pandemic today. So you will get information about that if you were to go and check it up on MediaMahima.com. In the economy, President Trump announced a series of guidelines to help states reopen when the worst of the coronavirus threat has passed. Under the guidelines, if a state records a 14-day decrease in cases and is able to return hospitals to pre-crisis conditions, then social distancing or physical distancing measures recommended by the CDC can be lifted. However, these are just guidelines. Ultimately, governors will still decide when and how states reopen, something Trump acknowledged just days after claiming to have total authority over the situation.
So finally he is giving in. So
Yeah.
Oh my God, if he's giving in, means he's got to come back with vengeance.
Yeah.
You know, his confidant, right, whatever, his spokesperson, his mouthpiece, Kellyanne Conway had once said that president is one person who always gets back to you. He never leaves
Gets
anything.
back. There's
gets
a
back at
difference
you.
in the
Gets
it's
back
to
at you.
or at.
Yeah.
So, well, in unemployment numbers, the unemployment rate is in the middle of a historic rise, and experts worry that the rest of April could bring even worse news. New jobless numbers reveal an additional 5.2 million workers filed for first-time unemployment benefits last week, bringing the total number of first-time jobless claims to 32 million over the last month. That's about 13.5% of the labor workforce. Just a few months ago, in February, the unemployment rate was at a historic low of 3.5%. In other news, Panajan, from India, the coronavirus roundup is this. The government on Friday removed restrictions on exports of formulations made from paracetamol. However, restrictions on exports of paracetamol active pharmaceutical ingredients, which is APIs, will continue. The number of cases reported in India now stands at 13,835. Of which 11,616 are active cases, according to the Ministry of Health. The death toll in India has risen to 452. Thankfully, it's not a huge increase. In terms of the spread of the virus, the government has maintained that India has a low rate of infection, with 1 in every 24 samples testing positive. And announcing a second stimulus in less than a month, the RBI has eased bad loan rules, froze dividend payment by lenders, and pushed banks to tend more loans to lend more by cutting the reverse repo rate by 25 basis points. So if you want to catch up on that, you can go to, again, MediaMahima.com. And also, the New York governor is saying that he needs federal support to reopen his state. You can find out more about all of this on MediaMahima.com, Manajan. We will be back tonight live at 5 on the Pam Pam Show. Till then, have a fantastic and safe Friday.
मिले कौन से जल में कोई जाने ना ओहरे ताल मिले नदी के जल में
Music with the best entertainment, you know, where it keeps getting hotter, and that's Radio D Hotties. And haha, मैं आपकी फालतू रानी सुनते रहिएगा. There's more lovely music that we've lined up for you. Total D Hottie picks.
Hey guys, this is Deepika Padukone and you're listening to me on Radio De Hotties with Azu Baba and Faltu Rani, where entertainment just got hotter.